Hello, it's Josh here from the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with a 1976 Kawasaki KZ900, and we're just going to start her up for you and give you a little walk round. Thanks for watching the video. As you'll see, it says Z900, so the last guy who restored the bike wanted it to look like an English version, so hence the Z900, but it is an American import and it is a KZ900. And if you're watching this in September 2024, you'll see this bike on the site that's available to win for $2.99 a ticket. Go to theclassiccompetitioncompany.com and grab some tickets, and if you do enter, thank you very much and good luck.